Good morning, children. This is Seema Prabhakaran. We'll continue with our civics lesson, the parliamentary government, why and how. In our previous videos, we have talked about the Lok Sabha, the Rajya Sabha. Today we'll take the next topic, how a bill becomes a law. The parliament is the supreme law-making body. It can make and change laws on different subjects. What is a bill? A proposal for a new law or to change an old one is called a bill. There are three types of bills: ordinary bill, money bill, and constitutional amendment bill. Money bill. As the name suggests, it is related to money and matters which are related to tax. All other bills that are not related to changing the constitution are ordinary bill. A bill can be introduced in either house by any member. The only exception is a money bill, which can be introduced only in the Lok Sabha by a member of the government. The member who introduces the bill makes a speech explaining the purpose of the bill, and a copy of the bill is distributed among all members so that they can become acquainted, means familiar, with it. This is called the first reading of a bill. During the second reading, members discuss the bill thoroughly and make suggestions for change. The final form of the bill, after incorporating the necessary changes, is presented before the House during the third reading and the bill is put to vote. Please don't forget that it is during the third reading that the bill is put to vote. If the majority of the members present in the House vote in favor of the bill is passed. It is then sent to the other house where it goes through the same stages. The second house may pass the bill. In that case, the bill is sent to the President for his approval. The second house may also send the bill back to the house where it originated with suggestions for change. If these suggestions are not acceptable to that house, the President summons a joint session of the two houses and the bill is put to vote. If the majority of members present their vote in favor of the bill is passed and sent to the President. In the case of a money bill, the suggestions made by the Rajya Sabha are not binding on the Lok Sabha and no joint session is summoned. So, the Lok Sabha is more powerful in this case. Once a bill is passed by both houses, it is sent to the President. The President may suggest some changes and send it back. However, if the Parliament does not accept these changes and returns it to the President has no option but to sign it. After the President signs a bill, it becomes an act or law. That's all for today's class. Thank you and have a nice day.